Hello, hello! Thank you so much for joining me again. I'm having so much fun creating these videos and I really hope you like them. To begin, I'm going in with RV25 to start the darkest parts of the petals. Next, I'll go in with RV23. I'm just going to go over what I've already done and just extend a little past. I'm going to go in with RV21, slowly filling in each petal using my flicking motions, but still leaving a little bit of white to show through. Next, RV29. Let's add some darker detail into the depths of the petal. Grabbing my RV23, I'm going to start to blend that out. Next, my RV21. I'm just going to blend that out a little bit more and soften the whole effect. Working in the center, I'm coming in with my G07 and G14, just filling it in, little dots. Also doing some flicking into the petals to help blend and create one whole look. I'll go back in with the RV21 and just blend it out a little bit further. Sometimes when you have a really simple image and you just want to give it a little more pop, a cast shadow is really something to try. I'm coming in with BV23 and BV20, just underlining where, the light won't hit the petals, where it's supposed to stand out just a little bit. I think this really adds a really neat contrast, and you might like it. I'm going to come in now with my favorite green combo, YG67, YG17, and YG13. They really blend really well for me. I enjoy this set.